Good afternoon, everybody. And today our topic is about the sound of I. Wherever this sound is produced, we'll study that in our course, actually, in our lesson today. ये जो I का साउंड है ये किधर किधर आता है और जहाँ भी बेटा ये साउंड आता है हम इसको थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग करके बोलते हैं, शॉर्ट नहीं बोलते. इससे क्या होता है, इससे हमारे वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन बेहतर हो जाती है. क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? कहाँ कहाँ ये साउंड आता है? The combination of letters are given here. For example, whenever there is a Y, जहाँ Y आ जाए, जहाँ I आ जाए, या IGH या IE, जहाँ कहीं भी ये combination of letters आ जाए, I'm sorry, we always use these sounds. For example, the very first word that is given here is FLY. We never say fly, we say fly. It's a longer one, yani. Speak it: fly, sky, apply, style, nice, kind, fine, sign, light, fight, sight, night, lie, tie, and tried. Okay, for example, बेटा हमने अगर किसी से पूछना है कि वक्त क्या हुआ है, तो we will never say what time is it. हम टाइम को थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग करते हैं. We never ask what time is it. हम बोलेंगे what time is it. What time is it? The I in the time is a little longer, actually. This will give a proper natural way of speaking to the speaker. What time is it? Speak it. Is clear to everybody? Here we go to the practice pairs. Number one, we have lime piece, white wine, fly a kite, nice try, 9 lives, bright light, fly high, sign on the line, fine dining, 99. Let's go to the practice sentences. Number one, why is the price so high for that design? The wildfire started on Friday night. He was tired after hiking for 5 hours. It's 9-hour drive to Iowa. Is clear to everybody? So whenever these combinations of letters are coming like Y, I, IGH and IE, we always give it a longer sound comparing to the other sounds which are coming in the sentence. Is clear to everybody? Thank you so much, and thank you for all the people who watched our video. Wish you all the best.